Hi there, welcome to Huson DIY. My name's Ben.
My name's Oliver.
So this is a bit of a different video. Previously we did a review on this PC. So it's a mini PC, it's a Trigkey N4. So we did a review, an unboxing review, installed it in Oliver's room.
Yep.
Really good for browsing the web, word processing, kind of those low power office needs. So it's really small footprint, really thin, so it'll fit anywhere really. So if you're looking for a mini PC, just to do lightweight work, so as I say, word processing, going on YouTube, it works absolutely perfect, no problems whatsoever. So recently we got a new PC for Oliver's room, so this one we're actually going to do a giveaway on. So one lucky winner will receive this PC. So Oliver, just if you've not seen our previous video about this PC, Oliver, just give us a bit of a tour of what ports we've got on there.
So there's 4 USB ports, there's a couple of fans, and there's a power port, there's 2 HDMI ports, there's a LAN port, there's a power button, there's a headphone port, and that's it.
And that's it, isn't it? Yeah. So this is, as I said before, it's a Trigkey N4. It's got 4 GB of RAM, 128 GB of storage. There's an Intel processor in there. So I'll put a link in the description. You can see it on Amazon. It's around £150 mark. So it's a cheap mini PC, but it's not nothing. Yeah. So one lucky winner can win this.
Yeah.
So Oliver, over to you for the intro requirements for the giveaway. What have our viewers got to do?
So you got to like to this video, subscribe to our channel, and comment something down below in the comments.
Okay, do you want them to put something specific or just drop a comment? What do you reckon? What do you think?
I don't know, just say something nice.
Just say something nice. Yeah, what about, why don't they put a comment as what they'd use the PC for?
Yeah.
Yeah, so drop a comment into the comment section what you'd use the PC for. So like the video, subscribe to Huson DIY, and drop a comment in for what you're going to use that for.
Yeah.
So we'll probably run it for 2 to 4 weeks depending on how many entries we get. I think in fact we need to probably put a closing date on it, don't we, Oliver?
Yeah.
So in the description, we won't say what it is now, but in the description when we actually upload the video, we'll put the closing date in there, and I'll put it in the title of the video. But that's about it. So yeah, good luck to everyone that's going to enter. Please share the video, because obviously you can share it with friends and family if they want to enter the giveaway.
Yeah.
But if you like the video, give it a
thumbs up.
If you didn't, give it a dislike. Any questions about the device? Before you enter, if you want to ask about it, drop that into the comment section. That'll count as a comment as well, I guess. Yeah. And obviously, to get into that giveaway, you need to subscribe anyway. But if you want to follow us along, please do subscribe. Okay. See you later.
Bye.